guys, and welcome back to Sky TVSA. Today we're going to be playing a game called Airplane 3. World's oldest game. Hey, stop following me. Go to your own server. This is mine. Okay. Going to my server where there's absolutely Okay, the game is starting. It's starting. It started. Where are we? I mean, me, myself, and I. I'm gonna take a seat down. I'd rather take a seat here. Why? Okay. Airplane 3. I told you this game was called Airplane 3. Okay. You're the general. You're General. General Poncho. Your name is General Poncho. Okay. Why would you expel us from the team? Okay. We're sitting. Me, myself, and I'm just taking a seat, going crazy. Okay, time to stop. One, and let's sit. Let's get to the point. I'm staring at the general. Okay, his name is Ronald, and what did he do? The game's pretty slow. Kidnapped? He kidnapped. Yep. Everyone in the plane is in danger. Okay, bring him to justice. So, yep, that's my question. Why? How? Let's follow the general. Follow the general. Why is his name in General Poncho? It's a weird name for a guy. Okay, let's start to walk. We're walking here. Okay. Hey guys, did you guys know there was somebody invisible with me? Yep. Everyone's ready. I mean, I'm ready. Woo! Yeah, boy! Let's do this. We're going down. down, 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 or down, down, down. Let's go, 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 let's go. Almost there. We're here. The military cave. I'm just gonna take my military outfit. Okay. Okay. I'm ready. Ah! Subscribe for part 2, guys.